Welcome to TIGKING's YouTube channel. Who is a good welder? A welder with good welding skills. I totally agree. However, welders should be able to fabricate products to the desired dimensions and angles in the drawing. That is today's topic. I will cover the following key points. First, how to check the weld is accurate to the drawings after fabrication. Second, how to fix the pipe spool. Third, tips for pipe fit-up. I have to build a pipe spool. It supports a mixer shaft. It should be accurate, so I challenge zero tolerance. I made a layout line on the paper 1:1 scale. You should have the skill to draw layout line accurately. If it is wrong, the pipe spool comes out wrong. Next, you locate your pipe spool on the paper and check if your spool aligns with the layout line or not. Check with a square. It looks very simple, but many welders don't know this way. It looks perfect so far, but it starts out of alignment and getting worse. I have to heat up the joint inside to bring the pipe in. I use a TIG torch without a filler wire. It is called Autogenous welding, and it is one of the biggest TIG advantages. You cool down with air or wet cloth, then pipe will pull in. Let's see how it comes out. It moved, but not enough. What do I have to do? Hit it one more time. Let's look at it again. It should be okay, but still not enough. Let me think for 1 sec to find out what happened. Let's check the other side of the pipe. It might have been pulled in. Yes, it is pulled in. I bring it out to align, the other side would be okay. As I said, it is all aligned now. I told you this is an easy fix. Let's take a look at the other one. Unlike the previous one, this pipe spool is pulled inside, so I have to bring it out. When I fit it up, it was perfect, but why did it move inside? Because you fit up perfectly. It sounds silly, but now I will tell you one of the most important things about pipe welding basics. You should remember and understand these. It will be a big help in your welder career. We need to understand what the throat is. Let me show you some examples for your easy understanding. Elbow fitting. The small radius side, that is the throat side. Nozzles on a tank head. The tank top side from the nozzle is the throat. The pipe spool. The area of the pipe inward, that is the throat side. Let's suppose you fit up perfectly, all leveled and straight before welding. Key point. No matter how you are a good welder, the weld pulls toward the throat side. Why? Due to more heat concentration and more weld deposit toward the throat side. So, what do I have to do? You start to weld from the other side of the throat and close up where you started. This gives less heat to the throat, but the weld pulls the pipe to the throat anyway. From my experience, the best way is to tilt toward the opposite side of the throat when you fit up. Mostly, I tilt 0.5 to 1 degree, expecting it goes back to the throat side after welding. Even if it doesn't go back, I don't worry, because it is very easy to fix toward the throat, as I showed a minute ago. However, it is a big, big pain to fix the other way. I wish you'd learn at least one tip from each episode. Today, you can learn how to check your pipe spool by drawing a layout line on the paper. More importantly, please do not forget about what the throat is and the weld pulls more toward the throat side. In addition, I show you how to fix it if the spool is out of tolerance. Your visit, subscribe, and like can be a good motivation to me. Thanks for your watching and see you next time.